Hello everyone, today is Thursday and it's Traffic Thursday. Usually I come out and I show you guys some kind of methods on how I am actually generating traffic online on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so I'm going to look at Udimi today because it is one of the traffic methods or one of the traffic sources that I use on a weekly basis, and I plan in advance. So if you have been following the strategies in the Pro System, if you have been looking at what I'm doing on this channel, you notice that there is a consistent flow of eyeballs of traffic on my offers, right? What does this mean? Simply that without it, there is no business. I need to have a consistent flow of traffic. I need to have it. Just like you need to find a place that actually sells a certain thing, right? There are people who go there frequently. They are the targeted traffic for that person. So I need to find this traffic, okay? And I very simply teach a method. In fact, let me just do this like this, okay? I know this might look like a lot of arrows because I was doing it earlier, but I do take the traffic and I send it to a presentation that presents a whole business for me. But I need to do that week in and week out, week in and week out. And this is my whole plan. On this paper is my whole plan. It's my business model. It's exactly any commission that I earn, half of it goes into traffic, half of it goes back into the product. Okay, so it keeps my business running on autopilot for me. I don't have to think about it, right? I don't have to focus on it. I just do it automatically. And at the same time, I don't have to be behind everything. I can tweak, twist, edit, and actually focus on the things that need to be, like building a list and like getting more traffic, right? So as you can see, I want to show you guys that I'm not just lying to you. I use Udemy frequently. In fact, I just finished one solo ad delivery right here. I have another one next week, and then I have 3 already planned for July, and I'm going to be planning hopefully either on this video. Let's check out whether I can do it on this video or another. I might be planning the last and final let's say solo ad that I will have for July. So we're in June, but I'm already planning 1 month ahead. Okay, the reason I do that is because I set aside a budget, right? So this is a simple thing. If you don't do it consistently, you're not going to see action. If you're an online sales pro, if you're an iCoin pro, if you're in any of the opportunities, if you're in a mining opportunity and you have an affiliate side to it, okay, I'm just going to have a sip of water. Just give me a second. No matter what, okay, you have an obligation at that point to make your business work for you. If you start online, or if any of us have the attitude, which some people do, unfortunately, they want to try. I will dabble in it. I will try it. If it doesn't work, I'll try something else. If you have that attitude, nothing is going to happen. Okay, go far away from this business. Go far away from the strategies that I'm speaking, because you're not going to make it. You don't have the right mindset. You will not be able to make it in this industry. However, if you go out there and don't treat these things that you own, for example, Online Sales Pro, okay, as a bill, but more as a tool that can get you money, that can earn you an income, that can free you from your job, honestly, then you need to take it seriously, which means you need to put consistent action in. So one of the places that I go to put in consistent action, no matter what, to keep my business flowing and running and new people coming in, is Udemy. Okay, but I only look at a few things. So I'm going to give you guys some tips on Udemy itself in this video. But more than anything else, I want you to understand the consistency of traffic that is important. Okay, so let's go to specifically, for example, Dana Solo. Okay, just to give you a very clear example. Let's open her page. And I want you to see that I've been buying from her often. Okay, it's not the first time I'm buying. It's not the last time I'm buying. I do enjoy buying from her. Now she has a few medals. She has one monthly. She has one monthly, the shakers and movers, which means every single month she's coming on this chart right here. But apparently for June, she's not yet here. Cool. It's interesting. Interesting. But definitely I do see quite a few people who are, this is for June, but for the other ones, she has been um, on the shakers and movers. Anyway, that's fine. What I wanted to show you is not that, but I wanted to give you an example on how you should be looking for um, exactly, you know, who to purchase from and stuff like that. So you can see there's 17 dislikes and almost 3,000 likes, 38% buyers. So that means she's getting sales from her list. This is very important. Okay? She's getting sales from her list, 38%. And the per visitor is not bad. It's an average rate, honestly, but this is really important. So you know that she's getting results. She's focused on it, and she has. So all these medals do help. Okay, but it's good to look at the amount of red over here as well. I'm going to go back to my solo ads, and I'm going to look at Kevin Hansen as well. And this is the same, okay? 35% sales. I always look at least 10 to 17% and above sales that are there. But you can see from here, okay? Let's go even to Desmond Akil Smith, okay? Another guy, low, high. You see, there's a pattern. I'm only going for these kind of people. Why? Because this means that I get quality traffic through them. I just get quality traffic through them. I don't want. You can definitely go down and see the results and everything else, but I don't want negative traffic, right? I want positive traffic. I want a return on what I actually pay for. Now, whether that return happens now or later doesn't really matter. The mindset of traffic is doing it consistently. You might get people going in. You need to see whether your follow-up actually makes a difference, filters them out, or doesn't. Okay, it's up to you. So for example, I know that there are people who opt out of my list once they do go through my follow-up, which is a good thing for me. I get only the serious people I need to work with. And then maybe after 3-4 months, they decide to join. And that keeps the ball rolling. I hope you guys get the excitement that I have. I mean, honestly, there is a strategy involved in buying traffic, but you shouldn't just buy traffic without getting set up in other things. So we have the training of how exactly to get set up and everything. But more than anything else, I want you to guys to get into the mentality and see how at least minimum 50 clicks per week I'm getting. Okay, so that there's a flow. There's always people. There's at least 20 people every single time coming through my list that are new every single week. Okay, and if you just divide simply 20 by 7, that is around 3 leads per day, 2 to 3 leads per day. So I'm not getting a ton of leads at the moment, okay, with paid traffic. That's all I'm focusing on at the moment. Moment I grow my budget, which is right now my budget is fixed, okay? And this is what I want you to do. And this is how I want you guys to work in the Pro system as well, okay? You duplicate, you take a certain budget, stay focused on that budget. If it's a monthly budget, keep it at a monthly budget, okay? Divide it into 4 weeks. Every single week, keep at it. No matter what, no matter what anybody says, you're gonna buy traffic every single week, okay? You're gonna see results the moment you start to do this consistently. That is my point. Okay, that is my point, and that is I have proven that, and I'm restarting because I stopped using Udimi last year because I was doing free traffic methods and different methods that were working for me as well. But now I'm combining both, adding this and those traffic methods, and it's getting me added advantage. But Udimi does work. So what I'm gonna do today, guys, I wanted to focus on Udimi as Traffic Thursday, and then maybe next week I'll focus on MLM leads and then traffic for me. Okay, but right now I wanted to focus on Udimi itself. I still have one more a month, let's say one more solo ad to purchase. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go to my solo ads because I have a few people that I consistently go to. One of them is Dana, one of them is Kevin, and one of them is Desmond, right? So now I'm going to focus on getting from Malik Shortman, which is another guy who I really enjoy purchasing my solo ads from. As you can see, I have had quite a few ones from them, and I am going to go and purchase another let's look if I can actually do it for the date, because I want to do it for July. Not yet, damn it. So we're not going to do any purchase today. Maybe next week I will. Okay, next week is maybe a good week for me to do a purchase, because I want to buy at least one more solo ad for the 23rd of July, because that is the day that the week that I'm missing. Once I plan this out, if I have any extra budget, guys, you know what I do? I purchase more advertisement. I purchase more advertising, let's say solo ads, because that way more traffic runs through my business. Okay, that is only if I want to. Stick with the budget. If there's anything extra and you want to get more traffic, get more traffic. Okay, that's it from my side. Hopefully you guys got value from this video, and I hope that you are taking action. If you want to know more about the Pro System and learn how I teach you, if you're coachable, to actually make it online and do consistent income producing activities to see a difference in your business, then the Pro System is in the description. Just click on that and give me your email address. Once you give me your email address, I'll send you all the information that you need. Okay, have a great day. Keep in touch. My name is David Pindo. Leave some comments in the comment section below and hit the subscribe button for any future videos. I'm going to see you on the next video.